And I convinced them, let's get Leni Robredo. Ayaw ng maraming mga
Ayaw.
politiko. But I convinced them, bakit hindi? Bakit siya si Leni Robredo?
Right.
And I had to talk to Leni Robredo. And then, nung 2021, ayaw niya tumakbo. I talked to her. Sabi ko, Ma'am, you're at 6% in July. I will do a campaign for you in 2 months. In September, pag naging 13% ka, viable ka. So I did that, let Leni lead. And yung kay Leni tayo na kanta. So talagang maano talaga si Leni. So now she's being asked to run, but I don't think she's running anymore.
She's not?
I don't think she's running anymore.
Oh.
She has devoted her time. She
To
has
Naga.
decided to devote time to Naga because medyo napabayaan ng konti eh. So she has to, yan ang legacy nila ng mga Robredo, si Jessie eh. That's why she has to build up sa Naga City. Then there will be, and that's why we're looking at Bam or Risa to be, ang problema lang, the people are still longing for Leni to run. But I think people who should really believe that Leni doesn't want to run anymore. And
well, that's precisely why you're there. You've done it before, then you can do it again.
But I've imposed too much already on Leni. Yung first time when I asked her to run for vice, ayaw rin niya. The second time I asked her to run, but that effort is, may team na rin naman siya. No? Ayaw ng mga anak niya. Sabi, tama na yan. So I think third time is too much na. So I don't want to ask her anymore. But that's where I believe that, and the reason why I'm cautiously optimistic that we may win because we are in a pre-2010 situation. Remember pre-2010, there was 12 years of corruption si ERAP and GMA.
Right.
Sobrang MBNCT deal, mga ganun. So it was really bad that people were longing for an anti-corruption crusader. And that's why we voted Noynoy Aquino.
Noynoy Aquino, yes.
Who said, I am going to, kung walang korap, walang mahirap. We are in that situation right now. Kasi galit ang tao. And if you do listen to the people, ang number one issue is corruption.
Right.
And economic issues. Pero tied yun eh. Pag corrupt ka, lalong babagsak ang gobyerno, ang bansa. So I believe ang hanapin ng tao ngayon talagang somebody who will disrupt the system. Talagang babasagin niya yung sistema. That's the only way.
Talagang drastic ka nga ha?
Oh, you know, we have a saying, Noy had a saying that we're here not to perpetuate the status quo, we're here to break rice balls. So talagang
yeah.
So that's the kind of person that we need right now. And an anti-corruption crusader who will radically change the system talaga.